How to add a McDonald's deals to a mobile order in the app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open McDonald's on your device. After you're in the McDonald's page, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Home at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll find all the deals available. Click on View Deals. Then sign in or sign up to your account. After that, you'll find all the deals available in here. After you find the deal you want, you can simply click on it and then order what you want. Select the restaurant near you, add items to your cart, confirm your deal, and then make sure you pay. After your order is submitted, you're good to go. This is how to add a McDonald's deal to a mobile order in the app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.